Alt text and images. There are a variety of ways that you can test to see if alt text is available with images. It really depends on how the application supports or allows developers to input the alt text. For example, some applications use what's known as hover text, which means if you simply place your cursor over top of the picture, the alt text will display on the screen if it was included with the image. Other applications require that you right-click on an image, but alt text is a menu item that is clearly called out in that right-click menu, and when you select it, the alt text will open in a window on the right or left-hand side of your screen to display the alt text that was included with the image. Finally, you'll find that some applications require that you right-click on an image and choose the menu option Inspect. This menu is going to open a lot of the coding that is built into the website and can often be very overwhelming for people that don't know coding languages. What you want to look at is the bottom half here, these tabs, and you're specifically looking for the tab that says Alt or Accessibility. When you select it, it will highlight, in quotes, the text that was included as alt text for that image if it was added. For example, here we can see laptop with instructional tech in ASCPS on the screen. So we know that alt text has been included and is supported in this application. One additional thing that you can test is to be sure that the alt text works with our accessibility tools. For web-based applications, that means using read and write. So I can either select play and see if it will read alt text when it gets to the image, or if I want to be more targeted in my testing, I can select this speech bubble with the cursor here that is called the hover speech tool. When I select it, I can place my cursor specifically on the image. The alt text will play aloud for me, verifying that it is supported in this application and has been included in images.